Life as a teenager can be complicated before worrying about finances. When you add in the cost of living with expensive high school events, life can really become stressful. Not a lot is free and everybody needs money, leading to conversations about quick cash for teens. Are you a teenager looking for the best side hustles for teens for extra money today and have more independence? So in today's video I will show you the top 10 easy side hustles for teens. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So let's dive into the video. Number 10. Marketplace flipping. You can start by selling anything around the house you're not using. Make sure it's your stuff and not somebody else's. Generate some money from this, reinvest it to get into bigger items and keep growing your profits. Flipping, or reselling, is a popular side hustle since anyone can do it and it doesn't require a big investment. However, not every item you acquire will be easy to resell unless you concentrate on items that are in demand. You can flip sneakers, gaming consoles, games, electronics and many more. If you're a go-getter, you'll jump on any free stuff you can find and sell it for profit. That's the flip. Feeling ambitious? Check out eBay for deals. Number 9. Online surveys. Teenagers can also complete online surveys in their spare time, which is a great way to earn extra cash. When it comes to side hustles for teens, it's an opportunity for them to get paid to share their opinion. Swagbucks allows you to take surveys and get paid if you are over 13 years old. Earn a gift card as you complete the online surveys. A perfect work-from-home opportunity for teenagers. While this is one of the easiest ways to make money, you'll want to opt for the ones that are high-paying and wouldn't spam you with low-cost forms each minute. This gets you the most extra cash for the least amount of effort and could be a great way to dip your toes into the validation that it's possible to make money as a teen. Number 8. Return cans. With $0 invested, every can you return is profit. It doesn't sound glamorous, but we're not talking about walking the streets and picking up whatever you see. We're talking about organized can collecting. By law, you can bring up to 50 aluminum, 50 glass, 50 plastic, and 50 bimetal California redemption value containers and request to be paid by count. You will be paid the full CRV redemption of 5 cents or 10 cents on each container. Come up with a strategy and go after it. Door-to-door knocking still works, and better yet, you can give a pre-warning that you'll be back the next day. This gives more time for everybody to find any loose cans around the yard. Number 7. Pet sitting. Pet sitting is a good additional charge if you're home sitting. Not only can you earn $25 to $45 per day for the house sitting, but most pet sitters charge $25 to $35 per night. You can also charge different amounts for dog walking, house visits, or daycare. If you have personal or professional experience caring for animals, you can easily make money as a dog walker or sitter. Rover and Wag, two popular pet sitting and dog walking apps, can quickly connect you to paying gigs. So you can understand why getting into the pet sitting business might prove really lucrative. Of course, you can start sourcing for clients the traditional way by asking around, putting up flyers around your neighborhood, or you can start building your audience online. Number 6. Do homework for other students. Are you always finding others looking for your help with homework? Instead of offering your help for free, this is actually one of the most popular ways to make money as a teen. There's a huge market for essay writing services online, making it very easy to get into if you really want to turn this into a way to make money. Online homework jobs are excellent jobs that provide you opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your home. You may even opt it for a part-time job, which may be an effective source of passive income. There are also options for other types of work, like math homework. If you find certain subjects easy, then this is one of the no-brainer ways to make money. Number 5. Cut grass. You'll need a lawnmower, so a little bit of pre-effort is required. The good news is your landlords may have one you can borrow. If not, see if you can borrow a bit of money to invest in one on the marketplace and pay it back. The more you work, the more you can earn. According to one source, you can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 in your first year of business. Then, after a few years, you can earn up to $250,000. Your pay can vary depending on the area in which they live, and even the specific lawn in question. You could charge by the hour, taking in anywhere between $5 and $15 per hour. Number 4. Washing cars. Roughly 66% of Americans wash their vehicle around 1 to 2 times per month. If you live in the suburbs where there are plenty of cars around your neighborhood, chances are that people would appreciate the service of getting their cars washed right from their homes. After all, if you don't wash their car, someone else has to. Start by offering lower rates to friends and family, in exchange for their reviews. Then use the photos and videos on your social media pages and ask them to leave their comments on your posts. Number 3. Become a babysitter. Did you know babysitting one child would pay you anywhere upwards $16.75 per hour in the US? Of course, this depends on if you have certain licenses to justify the pay. But even if you don't, amateur babysitting is still practiced widely, and it only takes looking in the right direction to find concerned parents that need your services. Babysitting can be a great side hustle to earn quick money. But this popular childcare job isn't for everyone. You obviously need to love children, and have some real-life experience caring for them. Many people start their babysitting careers at a young age by watching their own siblings or family members. If you want to reach more clients than the ones you know, try signing up on a platform like Care.com and Sitter City. Number 2. Creating YouTube videos. Everyone seems to be hopping on the YouTube bandwagon, and for good reason. If you go viral on YouTube, there's a likely chance you could develop an insanely profitable career from that point onwards and start raking in the big bucks for your videos. As a YouTuber, you create video content around a topic you're interested in. You can film your YouTube videos from your phone until you earn enough money for professional equipment. YouTubers earn money through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling e-commerce. Number 1. Freelance writing. Writing is just one of those great side hustles for teens that allows you to work from home and reach other people at the same time. Another type of side hustles for teens involves writing, which is a great way for you, as teenagers, to express yourselves and get your ideas out there. Actually, that's a great way to earn money regardless of one's age and is not reserved for teenagers only. While freelance writing jobs might be a little more difficult to come by, there certainly are writing gigs out there for students. Those are the top 10 easy side hustles for teens. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.